Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison, and in this video I'm going to walk you guys through on how to make your own whipped shea butter using only 5 simple ingredients. And really you only need four of the ingredients. One of the ingredients is optional. So if you're looking to find a product that will keep your skin moisturized, especially our skin during the winter months. They tend to get really dry. But if you're looking for some all natural products and you're a little skeptical, why not make the products, your skincare products yourself? So you can start with this whipped shea butter. It's very quick and easy to make. You can make it for yourself. You can make it as a gift for family and friends, which is what I'm doing in the video. I've made like a large batch for myself, and also I gave away some for Christmas. So with that said, let's get into the video. Oh yes, and by the way, if you're new here, on the channel, I provide just some simple holistic health and wellness tips and suggestions and DIYs, which is what you're seeing in this video, targeting Black women over the age of 50 to empower them to live the life that they desire and deserve, age gracefully, and obtain optimal health. Oh yes, and keep your melon, keep your beautiful brown skin nice and glowing during the winter. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you make the shea butter, come back and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Oh, and another tip, and I will include this in the description section. The most important thing that you will need is to make sure that you're using 100% unrefined shea butter, where you can find it at any African store in your neighborhood, or you can order it from Amazon. I'm in Metro Atlanta, and I will list the name of the store where I purchase my shea butter, and you can purchase it there at a wholesale price. So with that said, thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and take care of your beautiful brown skin. Take care. Bye.